Hi guys, Mav here and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Just in case you haven't noticed, we have reached our first milestone. We are now 1,000 strong. So thank you so much for that. Every click on the video, every like, every comment, or even the dislike, but please don't, hopefully not. Every video that you watch, especially if you watch it in full, every subscription, every click on the notification bell, a reaction on my post in Facebook or in Instagram, the people who do my DIY, the plague doctor, the first ever person who tagged me on Instagram who did a DIY of the phone sticker bomb. Thank you so much for tagging me. I really appreciate that so much. You made my heart melt. If you will do some of these DIYs, please do tag me. And I really love seeing that. Of course, I'll be reposting I'll be doing a screenshot of your post and, tagging you with that. I just love it. Thank you so much appreciation and gratitude. Thank you. And I will be giving you a heads up that as of now, as I'm shooting this, we're still in our old house because we will be relocating on a different house within the same subdivision, because this house is going to be relocated by the landlord because we're just renting this. So there's that, and I will definitely do my best to upload a video next week. I'll keep you posted on that. And of course, since we are going to be moving, we will be needing some decors. So what we're going to be doing today is a seashell frame that you can do on your pictures, on your mirror, or whatever you have there that is framed, and as well as a minimalist wall art, very quick and simple. Just be needing a few things. All right, and if you'd like to see how I did that, then keep on watching. All right, to get started, for the seashell frame, we will just be needing the frame, of course. You can choose any color that you like, may it be plastic or wood, it's up to you. And also our seashells. If you're the type of person who picks up and collects seashells every time you go to the beach, you can definitely put those into good use. Or if you do not have any seashells, you can go to National Bookstore or any craft store, bookstore, or school supply store. They do sell, pretty much the same size of seashells. It comes in different shapes and sizes. Just get, anything. Do it randomly. Do not get, unless you want to, everything that looks like this. Some can be like this. Oh, I don't know if you saw that, but yep. Fresh out of the beach. There is still a whole lot of sand in there. I'm sorry about that. And I'm sorry if I'm sweating like a pig, because of course, as you might have known, I do not have an AC. The fan is turned off while I'm shooting, every time I'm shooting. So let's make this as quick as possible. And the next thing you're going to be needing is, of course, glue sticks and glue gun. That's it. Alright, so first thing you need to do is gather your shells and then lay it out on your frame. Do not stick it yet. On how you'd want it to look like. Just get a vision.
I had a vision of you.
Yeah. Vision. Or if all of your shells look like this, you can do it all aligned like that. Or you can also do it. If there are very identical seashells, you can just, form like an angel wing. Just like this. You can even do that right here. That's gonna be your wing, your pair of wings, and then draw a girl instead of putting it on the sides. And then once you are happy with the placement of every seashell that you want, that to have, you can stick it on the sides on two corners. Then you can do it on the other side as well right here. You can do it just on these sides. You can move it to this part. You get what I mean. Or you can also put some in here. You can do the whole thing, and then just, use your glue gun, put some glue in there, and stick it. That's it. It's that easy. Alright, now as you can see, I tried to do some of it off cam. One of them looks like this. So it's just a very simple design that I did on opposite corners. I focused on putting or gluing the really big shells on the corner, and then it gets smaller. And this is like the wing that I've been telling you about. Sorry about that, guys. I did put the biggest shell, or coral I would say, on the corner, and then it gets smaller as I go. And then this is the one, the identical shell that I've been telling you about, that you can do a wing on it and just, you know, put some on top, just like that. You know, there were very small ones, so it could be seen. I even put some black beads just to incorporate some of the blackness of the frame. And then it doesn't have to be perfect, as you can see that it will all be different. I got pretty addicted to that wing thing, and just go with the flow. Enjoy the process. You will enjoy your DIY, every DIY that you do. If you enjoy the process, and try not to make it, you know, perfect, because nobody's perfect, nothing is perfect. And if something is, if ever, then I guess that it's not gonna be that pretty, because it's the flaws, your imperfections that make you perfect. So there you go. Pretty much just like this as well. And I used like pretty much the same size for this part and this part. Now you can do just like this. I did an L, like the whole corner on this, and then here I'm thinking about like putting like an inch apart. No, that's an inch apart. Then putting the shells in here. It's definitely up to you on what you think looks aesthetically pleasing, I guess, because this is yours anyway. Or if you want to give it as a gift, you can also do so. And then we have this. It's very simple. It looks plain and boring, but this is actually not a shell. This is the, what do you call this, the pebbles that you put on top of the plants. It's easier to do that. And then I just put, and then I just glued in one shell in here, and then 3 small ones, did randoms. There you go. Did the same exact thing on all 4 corners, you know, with the shell and the 3 little seashell. I don't know what you call it. It's all seashells. And that's it. Now, if you would like to, you know, make it look glossy, because shells naturally, obviously, is not glossy. It looks very dry. You know, you take a bath, you exfoliate it too much, your skin's gonna look like this. To make it look glossy and shiny, just like what I did, with these. See that? There's a shine. Is that? I used our handy dandy. Yup. Your Elmer's multi-purpose glue. Just spread the glue on top of every shell that you'd like to look glossy. Then that's it. That's all you're gonna do the job, and that's really as simple as that. Now, I also did, what do you call this? Did the same thing on my mirror. Let me show it to you. But if you want to do it in full and you have a whole lot of shell, then go ahead and do it. Alright, so I went down to get a few art stuff, like, you know, markers. You can use oil pastels or just chunky markers, or, you know, calligraphy pens. Whatever your forte is, whatever you're comfortable using, use it. It's definitely up to you because it's your artwork. But then again, someone decided to sleep on the frame, because I need to get the frame and get the size of it. You can use just plain bond papers, copy papers, or if you have a sketch pad that's definitely way thicker, that would be awesome. If you want to use watercolor, use it, or whatever kind of textured paper as well, that will be awesome. But for now, I got this to deal with, and I'll get back. Alright, so we still have doggy on the frames, but I was able to get one of them. So this is going to be the sample size I'm going to be using. Anyway, they're all of the same size. So first thing we need to do, sit down, is take the back of the frame. Or actually, even if you don't, it's fine. And see if this is of the right size. Oh, perfect. Just need to cut it a little like a wee bit because it's a little wide. If you do have acrylic paint, that would be awesome too. You'll just be needing a paintbrush, acrylic paint, and that's it. But here's the deal. I'm not good when it comes to calligraphy. It's not one of my strong points, to be honest. So what I'm gonna try to do is just use, I guess, the easiest medium of all, which is a marker. This is a chiseled marker. Okay, that's better. The scratch papers. That's something that you can put your copy paper into so that you would not be messing up your table. If you could trace that, that would be awesome. I'm nervous. Try to do it in one go. Okay, mind, heart, vibes. Mind. No, it's better to reverse this. Because I want these parts to be connected. Let's see if we can actually pull that off. Yeah, just use something to pull it up with. Don't hurt yourself doing this. I'm just bringing this. Okay, that's that. We'll do the same thing on the other two frames. And there you have it. We're all good. Thank you so much for watching the video. I really appreciate that. And if you did like the video, enjoyed it, or at least learned something from it, please do not forget to hit on the like button. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Then don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you will be the first to know the moment I upload a new video. And if you have any comments, questions on what we did, or suggestions, please feel free to let me know down below or hit me up on Instagram at it's me, Mav. You now have a good one. I'll see you in our next video. Thank you so much again for watching, clicking, subscribing, anything and everything you do. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining me, for being here, for your support, for the love. Spread it, spread the love. Thank you. Thank you so much. See you soon. Bye-bye.
Oh my god, really, doggy?
Really? Doggy. Doggy. Baby. Baby. Oh my god. Why are you so rude, baby?
I'm trying to shoot that mirror. What are you doing? You're taking a bath there in front of the mirror. Oh wow. That's really sad, no? That's so nice.
Hey. So going back to the montage.